packaged into an official statement about the LTE-Railway organized made by Samsung and Korean telecom firm KT. Samsung specified a rough cell phone with the model number SMG88810, already thought to be the Galaxy X. So things being what they are, the SMG88810 cell phone isn't some cutting-edge gadget with an adaptable show, and is practically the inverse, offering a telephone for use in modern conditions where conceivably delicate foldable parts are not liable to be welcome. Besides, the SMG88810 is more likely than not the telephone intended for proficient field-based work utilized, which means it's probably not going to discover its way under the control of buyers. This pours a decent arrangement of water on seething theory that Samsung could uncover the alleged Galaxy X at CES 2018. While there's a decent possibility that Samsung may in reality be dealing with an adaptable and foldable telephone under its Galaxy lineup, we question it will now make its presentation mid-2018, if at all in the coming year. Adaptable showcases have been prodded for a considerable length of time, and notwithstanding the models flaunted by any semblance of Samsung and LG, they generally have all the earmarks of being quite a long while off from turning into a genuine business item. In that capacity, Samsung is likely investing additional energy attempting to ensure the Galaxy X and its supposed adaptable show are up to scratch before it's discharged into a field of requesting cell phone fans. Yet, meanwhile, the uncover of the Galaxy S9 appears to be practically around the bend, so that should fill in as a way to satisfy hungers for another Samsung lead telephone over the coming months.